Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue working with the asymmetric skirt. Last time I showed you how to make a pattern for it and how to cut the upper front and back details. Before I start making the flare and the frill, I need to measure this detail. 70 centimeters in my case. I don't want to make a huge one-piece circle. I'll make the frills of two parts. 70 centimeters wide each. It would also be okay. I'll write it here that the length of the frill is 70 centimeters. I need to cut two of them. Very nice. Next, I need to trace the tucks. You can use a ruler to do it. The tucks are ready. This is the wrong side. This is the side detail. This part should be cut on a bias. I need to fold the fabric in such way that the center part of the side detail will be cut on a bias. I'm going to pin this side to the fold. Pay attention to the fact that there is no side seam in this detail. I need to cut the pattern into approximately equal parts and distribute them evenly. There is no need to measure or calculate anything. The flare will be beautiful anyway. The bigger is the distance between the parts, the bigger is the flare. I want it to be very beautiful. This is the side detail. The flare is going to be so beautiful. The fabric is folded in half. This is going to be a one-piece detail. This point is going to be inserted in the side seam. There will be flare both on the front and on the back. Next, I need to make this detail about 20 centimeters longer. You can make it as long as you want. Please be very attentive. This point is going to be inserted in the skirt. Start drawing a smooth, beautiful line from it. This detail should be made 20 centimeters longer, just on the fold. As I've already said, you can flare the detail as much as you want. Do not forget to make a notch here. It should match the side seam. The flare detail is ready. Next, I need to cut the frills. Have a look at this detail. I like it. Very beautiful. The diameter of the frill is 70 centimeters. I need to calculate the radius. To do that, I need to divide the diameter by 2 pi, 6.28 centimeters. That makes 11 centimeters. This is the radius of the frill. The frill is going to be 14 centimeters wide, 15 centimeters together with the seam. I measure 14 centimeters and add 11 centimeters. I need to mark a point here and draw a circle with a radius 11 centimeters. The diameter of the circle is 70 centimeters. This is how the frill should be drawn. Next, I need to add 14 centimeters to the circle. Fourteen, 14 here. It's very convenient to work this way. The fabric is folded in half, so I'll cut the 2 frills at once. I understand the straight and pencil skirts are very comfortable. But you should also think of unusual designs. I want us to look interesting. Be very attentive. It's better to make a cut on the lengthwise or crosswise grain. I don't recommend you making a cut on a bias. Very nice. I want to check if the frill is accurate. I've already shown you how to make skirts with flounces. Watch the video about it if you haven't done it yet. The two circles are ready. Let's have a look at how the frill is going to look like. This is the main detail and this is the frill. It matches the seam perfectly. That's all for today. Next time, I'll check the details and try the skirt on. I'm sure the skirt of such design will make you look very interesting. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.